Have you ever wondered what's the absolute laziest way to make money online? Imagine sitting back, watching the cash roll in, while putting in minimal effort. Now, I get it. Who wouldn't love to make good money without breaking a sweat, all while having the freedom to work from anywhere in the world? As someone who's built multiple streams of income, I've been asked this question over and over again. So today, I'm going to break it down for you. But before we go right in, let me ask you, have you ever started a side hustle only to give up because it felt like too much work? Do you want to earn money consistently, but feel overwhelmed by all the options out there? Are you looking for ways to make money that don't demand a ton of your time or upfront investment? If you answered yes to any of these questions, you're in the right place. Let's find out which method is truly the laziest way to make money online while still being profitable. Keep in mind that lazy doesn't mean effortless. Some initial setup or occasional maintenance may be required. However, these options can potentially generate income with relatively minimal ongoing effort. Here's what we're going to do. I've got a simple parameter, and I'm going to use it to evaluate a few different online money-making methods. We'll judge each method across the 5 important parameters. Learning curve. How long does it take to master and start earning decent money? Fulfillment. How much effort is required once you're up and running? Scalability. Can you grow this method without piling on a ton of extra work? Startup capital. Do you need to invest a lot to get started? Risk level. How risky is this method in terms of losing money or time? Oh, and by the way, I'm only covering methods that can realistically bring in over $100 a day. Number 3 will bring you plenty of dollars. If you're thinking of things like online surveys or transcription sites, forget about it. They pay next to nothing and just end up wasting your valuable time. Let's dive in. Number 1, freelancing. Freelancing is the first method, and it's all about using your skills to earn money by working directly with clients. Whether it's video editing, social media management, graphic design, copywriting, or website development, freelancing offers flexibility. You choose your projects and your schedule. Learning curve. To make good money, you're looking at about 6 months of solid learning and practice. You'll need to sharpen your skills and build a portfolio. The good news? There are countless free YouTube tutorials for popular skills like video editing and design that can help you level up fast. Fulfillment. I'll be honest, fulfillment in freelancing is tough. You're often dealing with clients one-on-one, and that can be stressful. My friend used to freelance as a video editor, and he'd often vent about clients requesting endless changes that he didn't agree with. But here's the thing. You've got to keep your cool, even when it feels like a client is dragging your work down. Scalability. Freelancing has limited scalability. Your income is tied directly to your time. Sure, you can charge higher rates or hire others to help, but ultimately, you'll hit a ceiling unless you expand into an agency model. Startup capital. The good news is, you need practically zero upfront investment. If you've got a computer and an internet connection, you're set. Some tools, like Adobe's Creative Suite, might be useful, but there are free alternatives like Canva that'll get you started. Risk level. The risk is low, mainly because there's no huge upfront investment. The biggest risk is inconsistent income, but that's manageable once you build a steady client base. Is freelancing lazy? Not really, but it's a great way to build up income if you're willing to put in the time. Number 2, Airbnb arbitrage. Now this one's interesting, Airbnb arbitrage. Essentially, you lease a property long-term and rent it out short-term on platforms like Airbnb. You're the middleman, taking advantage of price differences between long-term and short-term rental rates. Learning curve. You'll need about 1 to 3 months to get the hang of it. You have to learn the platform, understand local rental laws, and find the right properties. Sites like Airbnb can help you research rental markets and occupancy rates. Fulfillment. Medium difficulty. You'll need to handle guest communications, cleaning, and check-ins. However, there's plenty of property management software like Guesty or Hostfully that can take a lot of this off your plate. Scalability. This method is highly scalable. You can add as many properties as you want, as long as you have the resources to manage them. The more properties you have, the more passive income you can generate. Startup capital. The downside? You'll need about $5,000 to $15,000 for startup costs, leases, furnishing, and cleaning services. Risk level. Risk is moderate to high because of the upfront investment. But with the right management tools, it can be fairly hands-off once you're set up. Is it lazy? It can be, but it's also a bit risky due to the initial investment. Number 3. Faceless YouTube automation. Are you ready to monetize YouTube without showing your face? Faceless YouTube automation is a lucrative strategy that leverages technology to create and distribute content. Learning curve. Mastering faceless YouTube automation requires understanding YouTube algorithms, learning video creation software, e.g., Adobe Premiere, CapCut, familiarity with automation tools, e.g., TubeBuddy, vidIQ, researching profitable niches and content strategies. With dedication, you can grasp the basics and start earning decent money within 2 to 4 weeks. Fulfillment. Once you're up and running, video content is automated using software and AI. Uploads are scheduled in advance. Engagement is minimal, as faceless channels focus on evergreen content. Monitoring analytics and adjusting strategies requires only 1 to 2 hours/week. Scalability, very high. Faceless YouTube automation allows for seamless scaling. Duplicate proven content strategies expand to new niches or channels. Increase video output using automation tools. Outsource tasks, e.g. research, video editing, to freelancers. Startup capital. There is a free path you can follow to startup. There are free video editing tools and free softwares you can use to generate images and videos to use for your channel. But most of the time it is rather slow and time-consuming, but perfect for a new beginner with zero capital. But if you have funds, it makes the whole process easier. The paid path includes video creation software, $20 to $50 per month, automation tools, $10 to $50 per month, outsourcing tasks, $100 to $500. Risk level, low moderate. Risks include YouTube algorithm changes affecting visibility, copyright or content issues, initial investment with uncertain returns, potential for channel suspension or termination if YouTube policies and guidelines are not properly followed. To mitigate risks, diversify content and niches. Stay up to date with YouTube policies. Monitor analytics and adjust strategies. Additional tips. Focus on evergreen content for long-term visibility. Utilize affiliate marketing or sponsorships for added revenue. Continuously optimize and refine your content strategy. Number 4. Running an eBay shop. This method is about selling products on eBay. You can sell anything: vintage clothing, electronics, handmade items, or even things you don't need anymore. eBay gives you access to millions of potential buyers, and you don't need a physical store. Learning curve. The learning curve is short, about 2 weeks. Just create an eBay seller account, decide what products to sell, and you're good to go. Start by selling items you already have or source products from places like Dgate. Fulfillment. Medium difficulty. You'll need to ship products and deal with customer service like returns or inquiries. From my experience, it's better to offer refunds or replacements when issues arise, even if you think someone is trying to scam you. Protect your seller rating. It's your lifeline on eBay. Scalability. Very high. You can keep adding products and even expand to other platforms like Etsy or Amazon. There's really no limit to how big you can grow. Startup capital. Around $500 for inventory. You can source products cheaply from garage sales, thrift stores, or wholesale suppliers. Risk level. Medium. You're investing in stock that might not sell immediately, but if you stay on top of trends, the risk can be minimized. Is it lazy? Not bad, but it still requires some hands-on effort. Number 5. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of my favorites. You promote other people's products and earn a commission on every sale made through your referral link. Learning curve. It's almost non-existent, 1 to 2 days. Sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or Impact. Then, start promoting products using your unique links. Fulfillment. Super easy. Once you share your links, your job is done. You don't have to handle products or customer service, which makes it one of the most hassle-free methods. Scalability. Very high. You can promote as many products as you want and keep earning passive income. Organic short-form content is the best way to scale, with platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts offering free reach. Startup capital. You can start with as little as $250, which can go towards creating content or running ads to promote your affiliate links. Risk level. Very low. There's no inventory to manage and minimal upfront costs, so you can get started with almost no risk. Is it lazy? Absolutely. It's one of the easiest ways to make passive income. Number 6. AI Shopify Store. Finally, the AI Shopify Store. This method uses AI to build and manage your Shopify store, automating everything from product selection to fulfillment. Learning curve. Practically zero. Head over to buildyourstore.ai, follow the prompts, and within minutes, you'll have a store set up. The AI even helps you pick winning products and design your store. Fulfillment. Very easy. By using AutoDS, the AI platform automatically manages inventory, updates prices, and fulfills orders for you. You won't have to lift a finger once it's running. Scalability. Unlimited. You can keep adding new products to your store, and since AutoDS handles the logistics, there's no limit to how much you can grow. Startup capital. Just $1.99. That's $1 for Shopify and 99 cents for the AutoDS trial. The AI tool itself is free. Risk level. Almost none. With such a minimal upfront cost, the risk is extremely low. Even if it's not for you, you've lost almost nothing. Is it lazy? Without a doubt. This is probably the laziest way to make money online, with everything automated for you. So, if you're looking for the ultimate lazy way to make money online, my top pick is the AI Shopify store. It's passive, scalable, and has almost no upfront risk. But regardless of which method you choose, the key is to find something that aligns with your goals and lifestyle. If you're serious about building wealth, make sure to subscribe and check out my videos because it will set you on the path to wealth and fulfillment. I'll see you over there.